Hey, Coach Strike, I wasn't sure if I was going to get to Zoom with you or not, so I thought I would just make a quick video um, for GroupMe to make groups. So once you get to your home screen here, go to the top and find this little icon with the pencil and the paper next to the eyeglasses and click on it, and then just go to Start Group and click on that, and you'll have new group here, and then you can enter the group name and scroll down and then just click create group. Now once you've done that, you go here to put in the name or the email of the players and the coaches. All the coaches should already be on there, so you should be able to just type our names in, and then once you finish creating the group, let me go here to all right, so let's Coach Bond's in the group, add a member. So there we go. So now we've got our group here. Now on that screen where we're creating our group, we can put a picture in here for our avatar. And we can also if you go to the settings, you'll be able to scroll down here to enable group sharing. Now, so we leave that on. And then down here at the bottom, closed group. You want to leave this as a closed group. That way the kids can't add people and parents can't add people that don't belong in the group. And once that's all set, that's really it. You just go back up here, or you can go to your profile, and that's my profile. So, but you go back here, and you can change the group avatar to whatever you want, really. Just find whatever picture you want to use and throw it in there for the avatar. Okay, so then you just X out of this, and your group will be created for you. I hope this was helpful. I also sent you some YouTube links that show you how to do this also. Again, if you've got any problems, just let me know. If you'd rather go through it on Zoom, then that's cool too. We can do that. I have no problem. I'm happy to help out. So, all right. The cool thing about GroupMe and the groups is that if you look right here, there's this blue S. You can make a Skype call to all the people in the group, and you can video chat. You can do it. It's kind of like Zoom, but it's through Skype, and you can talk to everybody who's on that GroupMe, football group at the same time. If we want to have any kind of meetings with the large group instead of with just smaller groups. All right. Well, I hope this is helpful, and just let me know if I can do anything else. All right. Bye.